Unraveling the Railroads, Understanding a Train Yard. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session where we'll be unfolding the concept of a train yard. If you've ever been curious about the bustling world of railways or heard the phrase in movies and wondered what it entails, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together and add another term to your growing English vocabulary. A train yard is a complex series of railroad tracks for storing, sorting, or loading, unloading, and repairing trains. It's essentially the parking lot for locomotives and rail cars. But it's much more than just a storage space. It's a hub of activity where trains are prepared for their next journey. Think of it as a busy bee's nest, but for trains. There are several important parts to a train yard that help it function. Mainline track. This is the principal track or tracks of a railway. Sidings. These are auxiliary tracks where trains are held until they're ready to be used. Classification yard, also known as a shunting yard. Here, trains are switched and sorted to form new trains. Roundhouse, a building used for servicing locomotives. Turntable, a rotating track that allows locomotives to turn around or move between tracks in a small space. Train yards play a crucial role in the railway system. They are not only used for storing trains but also for the critical tasks of assembling trains, putting together the right sequence of rail cars for a given destination, maintaining and repairing equipment, ensuring that everything is in working order for safety and efficiency, controlling traffic, managing the flow of trains to avoid congestion on main lines. Safety is a top priority in train yards. With so many moving parts, it is essential that everything runs like clockwork to prevent accidents. Workers in train yards are highly trained individuals who understand the importance of their roles in the overall functioning of the rail system. Here are some terms that are commonly used when discussing train yards. Freight. Goods carried by a large vehicle, like trains. Switcher. A locomotive used for moving rail cars in a train yard. Track. The rails and ties upon which trains move. Caboose. A train car used by crew members, which sometimes serves as living quarters on long routes. That wraps up our journey through the train yard today. I hope this video has shed some light on what a train yard is and why it's such an integral part of the railway network. Whether you're a train enthusiast or just looking to expand your English lexicon, understanding these complex systems can be fascinating. Until our next lesson, keep chugging along on your path to learning English. Goodbye for now, and remember, learning English is a journey, much like a train ride. Enjoy the ride.